Hey Trevor, this is Johnny at GT Imports. Just wanted to show you a few things on your car that we found when we had it in the shop, starting with the rear tires, which are probably the biggest concern here. Now, as you can see, you have tread going pretty good along the outside all the way to you get to the inside, and it is completely bare. Within a few thousand miles, you'll definitely be showing metal cords. Both of the tires pretty much look the same. It's just easier to set my flashlight up right there. But this is, again, something that would fail a state inspection, and it's getting to the point where it's kind of a safety concern. Alright, Trevor, a couple other things I want to bring to your attention. Starting with the headlights, I'm sure you've noticed a kind of a yellow film building up over them, contrasted to this one that's just had its headlights reconditioned. We can actually recondition them to look pretty close to what you saw in that other car, and this is actually to the level that it would fail a state inspection, so depending on how soon you need to have that, consider. Alright, one other thing to show you, it's the condition of the transmission fluid. Now, it's pretty good contrast to your car's paint. You can see this is, it looks like used motor oil, pretty dark, and it really should be about the color of your car. And changing that fluid is the only way to protect that whole transmission, so I'm strongly recommending that. Also wanted to show you the condition of your power steering fluid. This should be about the color of apple juice or white grape juice, and you can really see how it's completely black and filled with sediment. This can actually be damaging to the hoses and the power steering pump itself. So I definitely recommend flushing that out as well. It's about an 80,000 mile fluid, so I would venture to guess that it's probably been about at least 100,000 since it's been flushed through here. And the last fluid I wanted to show you is your brake fluid, which could stand to be changed. I've taken the cap off the master cylinder, and this should be the same color as the power steering fluid should be. You could see pieces of sediment down there, and those are running through your system, kind of endangering your lines. And you could just see just by the color of it, it's very, very dark when it should be, like I say, the color of white grape juice, and definitely clear of any particulates down in there.